Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Pavani madam, good morning.
Good morning, Soni.
Good morning, ma'am. Amma, earphones ivu. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Are you ready with your books, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, did you do that worksheet? What I sent revision paper? Did you finish that work? In NCB, I posted, and yesterday night,
Yes, ma'am.
I sent the key for that revision paper. Did you
Yes,
see?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We saw.
So please, you have to follow that, children. From that, you will get some questions. So I was expecting that you all read that. Again, I will give once again revision first. That paper only I'll start, and later I will start. Yesterday I
Good morning, ma'am.
yeah, good morning. Yesterday I stopped in between, no, in between second block. So I'll continue from there, and let me finish this revision first. Revision paper, then I will continue with the letter. Okay. Children, everyone read? Everyone read the textbook or not, content book? What, children? No one is telling me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We read. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. We read, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We read.
Ma'am,
What?
ma'am, we have only two books, no, ma'am. Content book and only workbook, no, ma'am. Then how can we open textbook?
Textbook is nothing but a content book, children. Who is that? Who asked me the stupid question? In older days, we used to say, yes, we used to call as a textbook. Now, in an advanced world, we are calling it as content book. Okay. Both are same. In my childhood, I used to call it as textbook. That time, we called it as textbook only, not content book. Okay. So 2 or 3 more minutes I'll be seeing, then I'll start the lesson. Okay. And again started not wearing a uniform. Before Varshita used to wear a Varshita, but now she's not wearing. I don't know why. And people, please on your video.
Ma'am, Teja, I wore uniform.
Okay, okay. I'm saying who didn't wear the uniform, not who wore the uniform. Okay.
Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who is this?
Good morning, Pavani, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Hi, Chaya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, Chaya, you are my host.
Yeah. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Pavani ma'am, I'm Sony.
Yeah, why both are there here? Sony is there, Chaya is there.
Yeah, actually, for me, they gave the 8:55 timings, no?
Okay.
For both
One
the
sec, no.
sections of extended, right?
I ask Chaya. Chaya. Where is Chaya? Chaya.
Here.
Yeah, Chaya, you are for exam, no, not for revision. You are for exam. A section you are for. Okay, you can move.
Okay.
Thanks for coming.
Well, okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Who is that? Okay, I'm starting revision, children. It's already time up. So, children, I'll be reading out for you. Just tell me the answers, okay? Dash means moving permanently to another place. Dash means very. So now I'll be asking questions for you, children. You have to answer to me, okay? I'll be seeing. Okay. Yeah. Now tell me. Who will tell? Yeah, I'll be asking. First, I'll call out your name. Then Sanjana Srividya. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. In India, many families migrate to cities from villages in search of
Job.
Very good. And Pranit Verma. We usually find dash families in big cities and dash families in villages.
Nuclear families in big cities,
Very
joint
good.
families in villages.
Very good. Okay. Chandrika. We live in large groups called. We live in large groups called.
Ma'am?
We live in large groups called.
Joint family.
What?
Joint family.
We live in large groups called. Large groups. I didn't ask about any family.
can-
I asked.
Family.
Who
Can
will tell? Danush will tell.
Ma'am?
it. Danush.
Ma'am, can I tell? Communities.
Very good. Pranay, tell Pranay.
Ma'am, communities.
Very good. Communities. So we live in large groups called communities.
Communities.
Next. Ants live in
And colony. And
Very good. And colonies. Okay, next. It is important to appreciate people who work hard for us and show that we dash them. Akshit will say. Akshit,
Respect.
very good. Houseboats commonly found in dash of Kerala and Dal Lake in Kashmir. What is the dash? Very good.
Waters.
Backwater.
Backwaters.
In water. Actually, mostly our houses are in water, children. Is our houses in water?
No,
Where is
ma'am.
our house? Where is our house?
On the land.
Very good. On the land. But in Kerala and Kashmir, some houses like houseboats will move in water. So some people stay in water only. Next. Tents are used by dash who move from one place to another. Sriram will say. Sriram. Sriram.
Can I say Nikita?
Nikita, tell me, Nikita.
Nomads.
Very good. So tents are used by nomads who move from one place to another. Next. Pujita will say me. Pujita. Wandering people who live in the grasslands of Central Asia usually live in dash. Wandering people who live in the grasslands of Central Asia usually live in dash.
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Who is that?
Ma'am, can I
Tell your
tell?
name. Who is that?
Navya.
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 Tell Navya.
Ma'am, Yat.
Yut. That is not yat. Yut. Okay. Next, dash houses are built in places where it rains heavily. Samarth will say. Samarth will say me. Dash houses. Tilt house, that is. Tilt house. Okay? Tilt house. Next, the capital city of China.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Tell your name and tell children, please.
Ma'am, can I
Tell
tell?
your name.
Beijing.
Who is
Ma'am,
Chetan? Okay, Chetan, ready, tell.
Ma'am, Beijing.
Beijing, very good. Okay, next.
Beijing,
R.
capital city
Yajan.
of China.
Yajan.
Beijing.
Yajan. The shape of the earth is?
Ma'am, I don't remember.
Yajan,
Round,
the
ma'am.
paper I posted. Yajan, are you in the school group? Yajan, are you in the school group? Yajan, are you in the school group? Yajan, are you in the school group or not? Okay, what is the shape of the earth, children? How it look like?
Round. Ma'am, round.
Very good. It look
Ma'am,
like
round, ma'am.
round. Okay. Round, and it will be similar to the globe. You know the globe?
Yes, ma'am.
Globe is the model of our earth. You know, no, children, that is the common thing that you have to know. Globe is the model of the earth. Okay, don't forget this point. Next, the house protects us from. Nanda will say. Nanda.
Heat, wind, and storm.
Very good. Who will tell me? Wait. Shanmukha Priya, can you tell me the meaning
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Shanmukha Priya? Shanmukha Priya, can you tell me the meaning of refugee? Refugee. Can you tell the meaning of refugee?
Ma'am, you called me now, ma'am.
Yeah, I called. You didn't answer, no? Okay, Teja Harshini will say. Teja Harshini, tell me the meaning of refugee.
Couldn't find you.
Teja Harshini. What?
Danger, ma'am. Who helps from danger?
No. In the key I gave.
Nikita.
Nikita will say it. Nikita, can you tell me?
The person who leaves her country due to the war.
Very good. A person who leaves his or her country due to war or a natural disaster. Okay, once again, a person who leaves his or her country due to war or a natural disaster is nothing but a refugee. Okay, next. People in a community depend on each other, known as, I'll be asking, Mokshit will say. Mokshit. Yeah, can you tell me?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
question, ma'am.
People in a community depend on each other, known as. People in a community depend on each other, known as.
Can I say, ma'am? I'm Sriram.
Yeah, Sriram. Tell Sriram.
Interdependent.
Very good. Can you tell the spelling of interdependence? Can you tell me the spelling of interdependence?
INTRDEPENC.
Okay.
Independent.
Next, Varun.
Ma'am.
Varun. Yeah. Tell me the answer for ants
Ma'am.
dash among themselves. Ants.
Lots of noise from phones vibration.
I want everyone should be muted. I don't want such disturbance. You know, no? You know, no? If anyone is disturbing, I'll get angry. You know, no? Now tell me. Ants divide their dash among themselves. I asked you this question to Varun.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, ants divided are by workers, soldiers, and queen.
No. Actually, ants divide their work. Sorry, divide their responsibility among themselves. Divide their responsibility among themselves. I asked that question. So please keep in your mind that what answer you are writing for what question. Okay. Once again, I'm saying, children, ants divide their responsibilities among themselves. So in a ant colony, worker bee, queen bee, and a soldier will stay, children. Okay. In a ant colony, queen bee, worker bee, and a soldier will stay. Next. Families are forced to migrate if their homes get Pardiv. 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 Uh, Families are forced to migrate if their homes get dashed. Families are forced. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I tell that? Ma'am, can I tell?
Families are forced to migrate if their homes get dashed.
Ma'am, Chetan, can I tell?
Yeah.
Destroyed.
Destroy or demolish. You can write anything. Destroy or demolish, children. When one is saying answer, please don't others don't involve and disturb the class. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am.
Okay. Next, Shritan.
Yes, ma'am.
Submerge means
Uh, to completely go underwater.
okay. So submerge means what, children? To be completely underwater means dipped, sink inside. Okay. Sink completely inside or dipped inside the water. Okay. Next, Vasalya. 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 You will tell or not? Shall I go for someone else? Okay, I'll go for someone else.
Ma'am,
Navya.
shall I tell?
Navya will tell. Cooperate means what? Navya. Cooperate means what?
To be workman.
Yeah?
Ma'am, to be work with workman.
To work together and support each other. You have to remember that point. To work each other and support each other. Okay? Okay. Children, now, okay, I finished this part. Now take out your content book, please. Take out your content book. Yesterday, where I stopped, I want to continue from there. Yesterday, where I stopped, who will tell me? I want one
Ma'am,
answer.
page number 15. Ma'am, you stopped it that, ma'am. These roofs help melted snow, ma'am.
Did I start third block?
Some only you start, ma'am.
No, again I'll start houses for different regions, okay? Otherwise, from the beginning I'll start. It's okay, no? Okay. Next, see, a home for everyone. So please be ready with your pencils, okay, children? Wherever I ask you to underline, please underline, okay? Everybody needs a house to live in. A house in a place where we live together. It protects us from heat, rain, wind, and storms. Did you underline this point, children? Did you underline this point? Okay. So a house is where we share space with our family and dear ones. So mostly in our family or in our home, means we stay with our loved one, with our family members. We stay. Children, please stop chatting in the chat box. I don't want anyone chatting in the chat box. Okay. So thousands of years ago, when people were hunters and gatherers, they lived in caves. Today, there are different types of houses made of different material. So mostly houses are made of different material, and we have different types of houses today. But in like thousands of years back, there are hunters and gatherers. They used to stay in caves because they don't have any house. Later on, what happened when they settled down? They started doing farming. Then they made their own house. So after means before they used to stay in caves, but now today we are staying in different types of houses like single story, multi story, and many different types of houses based on the climate. Okay, children. Next, different types of houses. Houses are different based on the building material. Can you underline this point? Based on the building material, the houses are constructed, children. where they are commonly found on their size. Yes, no, children? According to our
Ma'am, please stay
finance,
from starting now, ma'am.
who is this? Who is this?
Srinanda, ma'am.
Srinanda, yesterday I stopped near different types of houses. But again, I told the introduction part. Again, I'm saying the same repeated thing. So no need to worry. I didn't skip anything here. Okay. So different types of houses. Houses are different based on different building material where they are commonly found and their size. So based on our financial capacity only, we'll construct the house, no children. So sizes may be different, but the common thing here is we get shelter in all different types of houses and we stay with our loved ones. Okay. And houses can be built of stone. Can you underline this point? Stone, wood, bricks, canvas, mud, bamboo, glass, ice, and cement. Please underline these points, children. So houses are made of different materials such as bricks, stone, glass, bamboo, ice, cement. So I told you based on the climatic conditions, so the material will be differing. When people are staying in cold regions, can we construct with bricks, children, there? Can we construct with bricks where means people who are staying in cold region where too much snow is falling, there can
No,
we
ma'am, we
construct with our
cannot, ma'am.
bricks and cement? No, we cannot, because bricks and cement cannot make us warm, because who are staying in like cold regions, they want always a warm to their body, because that cold means the temperature always it will be in the minus. So our, you know, no children, our body temperature is 98.3 Fahrenheit. So we have to maintain our body temperature. So for that reason, what they're doing, so they have to keep their body warm. No, that's why they constructing different types of houses based on their climatic conditions. And largely this depends on what material is available in a particular place. So according to the material, no children, will be constructing the house. And wooden houses are more likely to be found in places which have forests. So mostly who are staying in forest regions, like, you know, no children, remote areas. Who stays in remote area? Children, I don't want such sounds, children, please. When I'm saying very seriously, you also concentrate in the scene. See children here, see people who are staying in the near to the forest, like remote areas, tribals, near tribals. So such people construct their house with wooden sticks, children. So the roofs of houses can also differ. So sloping roofs are used in places where it snows heavily. So I told the children, wherever snow is so much it's falling, so there sloping roofs will be there. If like roofs, what we have buildings, no children. If in cold regions, if they have buildings like that, snow will be like accumulated in that place, and all the snow will be it will be sinked into the building, and complete building will become cold, and temperature comes down. It will become into 0 degrees Celsius, and our body temperature cannot adjust to that, and immediately what we will become sick. So that's why what these people who are staying in the sloping, who are staying in the cold region, they are making this sloping roof. When the slope roofs are like that, what happens? Immediately snow will fall down in this way. Okay, children? And these roofs help melting snow to drain away easily, so that when the sun comes, so immediately it will drain away and it will come down. And mud houses are more suitable for hot climates, as mud keeps the inside of the house cool. So many people live in mud houses in villages of India. So mostly in villages who stay, they construct huts made of bamboo or made with mud. And multi-story buildings made of cement, glass, bricks, and steel are common in big cities. Please underline this point. Multi-story building made of cement, glass, bricks, and steel are common in big cities. Mostly we construct our house made of like cement, bricks, steel, iron, wood, glass. All these material are included in our constructions. Yes, no children. When you see your home, you can see all these things. No, wood is there, iron is there, steel is there, glass is there, cement, wood, brick, everything is there. Yes, no. Next. Did you underline that point, children? Multi-stored made of cement, glass, bricks, and steel are common in big cities. Did you underline that point? Okay. So, houses for different regions. So, houses differ from region to region. The climate of a place, material available, and the lifestyle of people decide how a house is built in a particular region. So I told you, based on the climate, based on the material, it is available in certain place and the climatic condition, and the construction will be varying from region to region. And coming to first, igloos. Igloos are houses made of ice. Please underline that point. Igloos are made of ice. So they are found in cold places like Greenland and Arctic region. Please underline that point also. Mostly igloos are found in Greenland and Arctic region.
Ma'am, Greenland means?
It's a place, children. It's a place. Greenland is, see how India is there, no? In the same way, Greenland also one place. Okay. And the Eskimos live in
Ma'am,
igloos.
Eskimos means what, ma'am?
It's an animal.
Ma'am, Eskimos means?
And ice is used in igloos because the air pockets trap the heat and make inside of the igloo warm. Please underline that point. Ice is used in igloo
Excuse me,
because
ma'am. Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, if igloos cannot melt, ma'am, it's a ice, no.
Actually, igloos are constructed only in cold regions where the snowfall is so much. Too much snowfall is there, no? In such places only you can construct igloo because snow will not melt there. Temperature is in 0 degree, means minus, not 0. It's in minus. That's why it will stay like that only. Ice will be like ice only, not into water. Okay. Next, coming to stilt houses. Stilt houses are houses built on a set of posts supporting a building above the ground. Can you underline that point? Stilt houses are houses built on a set of posts supporting a building above the ground. Stilt houses are built in places where it rains heavily. Underline that point. Stilt houses are built in places where it rains heavily. The stilts protect the house from flooding. These type of houses are found in Congo in Africa and Venezuela and Brazil in South America. Please underline this point. Mostly igloos, stilt houses are found in Congo, Congo in Africa and Venezuela and Brazil in South America. In such places only these stilt houses are constructed. Why stilt houses are why they use stilt houses, children? Because they can be protected from
It floods heavily there.
yeah. Next, coming to the ute. A ute is a kind of movable house made of filt and bamboo or wood. So what is the meaning of filt, children? Filt means a type of cloth made from wool. Filt means what? Please underline that point. Filt is a type of cloth made of wool, it means. So based on that material and bamboo or wood, they will construct. But why they use bamboo? Because the house should stand, no, children. To stand the house, they should definitely use bamboo or a wood to make to stand like that. Because they are wearing, they are on the top, they are putting one cloth. So that cloth should stand, means how it will stand? Simply it will stand? No. It will, when we put the cloth on the sticks or wood or bamboos only, it can stand, and they will tie that cloth to the bamboos so that it can stay. The ute is a kind of mobile house made of filt and bamboo or wood. Wandering people who live in grasslands of Central Asia usually live in these kinds of houses. So underline this point. Who live in grasslands of Central Asia usually live. So here, children, you have to remember the point that igloos mostly you see igloos in Greenland and Arctic region. Stilt houses you see in Congo in Africa, Venezuela and Brazil in South America, and the utes are commonly you found in Central Asia. So these areas, these places you have to remember, children. When you get such questions, you have to immediately it should strike out in your mind that yes, Central Asia means ute, Venezuela, Brazil, Congo means stilt houses, igloos means Greenland and Arctic region. You have to remember that point, okay? Okay, children? Okay. Next, coming to tents. Tents are common houses made of canvas or animal skin and are fixed to the ground with poles. Please underline that point. Tents are temporary houses made of canvas or animal skin and fixed to the ground with poles. Please underline that point. They are used by nomads who move from one place to another. Please underline that point. They are used by nomads who move from one place to another. And wandering people like Bedouins in the desert of Saudi Arabia, and some people in Thar desert live in tents. Please underline that point also. People like Bedouins in the deserts of Saudi Arabia, and some people in Thar desert live in tents. They can carry their tents wherever they go and set up at another place. So yurta and tents are movable, children. They can move to any place. They can keep it in any place, children. Okay? They both are, yurta and tents are movable. They can carry and they can fix in any other place. Coming to the houseboat. A houseboat is a boat that can be used in a house. It is commonly found in backwaters of Kerala. Please underline that point. It is commonly found in backwaters of Kerala and on the Dal Lake in Kashmir. Did you underline, children? Next, houseboats in Kerala usually move in water, while in Kashmir they normally stand in place. So actually what they are saying, in Kashmir it seems a house will stay in water, but it will not move, it seems. But coming to the Kerala, the houseboat will move in the water. It's a boat now, it will move. But in Kashmir, it's not movable. It's fixed to in one place. With the help of bamboo sticks, they fixed to one place. Please turn the page. People without a house. There are many people who sleep on the roadside, footpath, in parks, or under flyovers. There are many reasons for this when people move from villages to cities in search of jobs. Can you underline that point? Can you underline that point? They may not be able to afford a house to live in and may end up living on the streets. Sometimes they may lose their homes and property to a natural disaster and not have the money to build or buy another house. So people who are stuck in the natural disasters or war or flood, whatever it is, they will lose their home, they lose their job, and they lose everything, their property, and they become like orphans. And they have to move to some other place in search of job or a house or for any shelter, temporary shelters. And sometimes they may lose their homes and property to a natural disaster and not have the money to build or buy another house. That time who will help children? Government people should help them, or sometimes like voluntary people will come and help them, or sometimes we also can volunteer, means we also can provide something for them. And in some cases, they stay in slums. Slums means, you know, children? Slums means, you know, dirty places. Like it's a place where poor people or who cannot afford, they will stay in the slums. Slum, you know, children? Only one room will be there. Many people will live in the one room. People who escape to another place during a war become homeless too. So not only a natural disaster, but also when war happen, also people should move to another place, because everything will be demolished, destructed, and the military people or some enemies will put some bomb. That time everything will collapse. And they usually find shelters in temporary refugees. I already asked my children, what is refugee? Refugee means a person who leaves his or her country and move to another place in search of job, whatever it is. They'll move to another place. They have to leave their own place and move to another place. And they usually find shelter in temporary refugee camps or shelter homes for homeless people. While the footpath may become their temporary home, it is not the same as living in a house. Can you underline that? While the footpath may become their temporary home, it is not the same as living in a house. Can you underline that point? And see page number 17. Stilt houses from thousands of years ago were found in Austria and northern Italy. It seems. Please underline that point in this page. Did you know? Page number 17. Did you underline? No. Now tell me who have any doubt. Please ask me. I'll clarify your doubt. We have 4 minutes of time. Okay, utilize this time, children. Who have any doubt, you can ask me. I want to mute yourself, children, please.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, I didn't read the story, no? Yeah, ask who is
Ma'am.
tell your name and ask. Tell your
Vatsalya.
name and ask. Yeah, Vatsalya,
Ma'am,
what is your doubt?
section. Ma'am, 2 sections have at a time or a different time, ma'am? Exam?
At a
Sections
time.
will be, see here, for A section, I will be handling the class for exam time. And B section, Shailaja madam and Sridhar madam will be there for B section. And see children, read the question properly. Don't, means I will read, however, I'll read for you. Don't be in hurry burry. See, will be going cool. No need to hurry burry, like do it fast and run away. No need. Hold
Ma'am,
time.
different time, ma'am, for both sections?
No, both section will be having the same time. Because we'll be posting in the group, na? We'll be posting in the group the question paper. That time,
Okay, ma'am.
different timings we cannot know. And see, I want to read the story. Jadoo and when Jadoo came to the city, Jadoo and his family have been living in a slum in Mumbai for past 2 years. Jadoo works as a garbage collector. He and his family of 6 live in small rooms. Many families live in his slum, which has hundreds of rooms like Jadoo's. Can you underline this point? Many families live in slum which has hundreds of rooms like Jadoo. Although they have a fan, most of the time it doesn't work because there is no electricity. Basanti, his wife, wakes up at dawn to stand in a long line to collect water. There is just one tap and people fight with one another over water. At times, there is no water in the tap for days. There is one toilet for about 100 people. Imagine how dirty it must be on the days where there is no water. It was not like this in the village now. Basanti works as a domestic helper in the nearby apartment building. When she first went to work, she was surprised to see that everyone had a separate room for themselves. And there was more than one toilet in the apartment. The tap water ran throughout the day and the fan always worked. Basanti told Jadoo, so many families live in that building. I worked just like we do here. Why is it so different there? One day, Jadoo heard that they would have to leave the slum because someone wanted to build a shopping complex in its place. So, children, in this story, or who can explain me? Aishi will explain me this story. Aishi? Aishi. Can you explain me this question? I mean, this story? Can you explain me? Can you explain me? Nanda will explain me. Nanda, please explain me. Nanda.
Ma'am, this is Shrita. Can you explain?
Okay, I'll give a chance for Shishmita. Shishmita, can you explain me the story? Children, time up. What is this, children? See, sharp.
Ma'am, this is Shritan. Can I tell?
Yes, Shritan tell.
When Jadoo came to the city, Jadoo was living in the slum for the past 6 years. He was a garbage collector, and they lived in a room for 6 members.
Okay.
And in the slum, there were more rooms like Jadoo's.